Bro, he's funny, bro.
You have so many hubs. Pain hub, 1240. Let's see, Pain hub 1211 hub, bro. Which hub?
Streaming, shut up, bro. Drew, shut up. I'm.
Pain hub
Bro, get your Pornhub butt out of here.
17.
Bro, I'm literally streaming, bro. Not for real. I'm for real streaming. You might shutting up, JC. Shut up, JC. Shut up. Your local what?
4226. Number 094.
Yo, you might shut it off, JC. But I swear to God, I will leave this lobby,
What's
bro.
up, guys? Welcome back to Tossie's video. Today we're doing Tilted Zone Wars, and the rules are no knocking down.
Yeah, and if you're not down, you are a bot, and you will always be a bot.
You better not shoot like that, or you're a bot.
Hey.
Oh my God! What? Well,
Oh my God! Look at this. It's a man who just got dead.
I wasn't even. I was just looking straight up.
It's a man who died. Oh, I know what we should do to dead bodies.
Oh, you killed yourself.
Welcome back to another video. Hey, yo, this is my new intro. Welcome back to another video. We're back with, welcome back to another video. We're with my boys, LJC, aka bro, I'm trying to do an outro, but okay.
Bricks and bullies, flat walk, body, hello, tough for the wood.
No, be quiet. No one cares about you, brother. Percy, come down to me, I dare you. Oh, chill. Babies, go out, babies. Come on, babies. Let's go, babies. Let's go, babies. Let's go.
Nobody cares about your crazy ass.
I'm gonna die, so go away. Please, I swear. Percy, why are you coming after me? Yo, give me an try giving me an outro, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
What?
Oh, you're a little spammer.
What should I say as an outro? What should I say as an outro? What should I say as an outro?
Cricket, I suck. I suck.
Okay, I suck.
Bro, you spam. You don't even.
Guys, welcome back to another video. We're with these idiots. Welcome back to another video. We're with these idiots. Cooler8684. You should go check it out. His YouTube video. I'll put it back in the link in the description. I don't know how to do that.
Description. What is it?
Description. I wish I could put it in the description, but I can't because I don't know how to. Because I live stream only because I don't know how to.
Yeah, that one man.
That one guy who always live streams every day. He's 20 to play. You spammer!
You better get. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty good. I'm better than you. I'm better.
Dude, this dude is actually dumb.
I'm better than Maya. I'm better than my nut test.
Bro, shut up, bro. Not for real. I'm streaming.
Dad, you're it.
How do you guys already have the pickaxes of the
Because we're goated. Because we're goated.
I'm not a
Because
bot.
we're goated. I just killed myself. I'm stupid. Percy, stop rushing me every
Show you
time.
my shotgun, heavy shotgun.
For real? How do you do that? Bro, how? That's dumb.
They added it to FoRtNiTe.
Yeah, I know. How did they just freaking... They're an actual sniper. This man took away all my shield.
That's very tough, bro.
Hello, more easier because come try.
Oh, it's a flint knock.
No.
If you're new to my video, if flint knocks are dangerous. If you're new to the video, if I get a flint knock, you're dead. Oh, I mean, you already are dead anyways. Bro, that's for the heavy shotgun.
He always has it.
Oh yeah, you're scared. They're scared. I'm an abomination, brother.
Hey, bro, just cover the signs.
I'm an abomination. I'm a denomination. Denominator.
Oh, look at him using a spam gun.
Oh no! Oh, brother. Oh.
You're
I don't have a life and I don't care. I don't really care because I wanna die. Oh, please don't just kill me. I don't really wanna die. Please just don't kill me. I just wanna live. I got a kids and 500 kids. Oh, please don't kill me. Please.
Oh, he's at 49 health, but in 100 shield.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
He's dead. He's dead.
I'm dead.
Keep him. No, bro. If you just keep him out of zone, he's.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, that's because he uses spam gun.
Yeah, he's spamming. You're spammer.
Yeah, that's all he does. If I'm using the right gun.
No, you're using a spammer gun because you're spammer.
What am I supposed to do? Shoot you from
Percy.
from 100 meters away? Yeah, right. You had a shotgun. You could.
I got a stinkfish. Oh, just she stayed on there.
Would have done like 14 damage. Oh, because you know you
FoRtNiTe.
Oh, nah, Percy. No, kill me, Jesse, please. I'm begging. Just don't kill me, please.
Kill him. No, actually, first you kill him.
Nope, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that.
I'm gonna fight you.
Hey, I ain't doing that. Hey, I ain't doing that because it's bullcrap. I ain't doing.
Why are you third party?
I ain't doing that.
You're sitting down there.
I ain't doing
Yeah,
that.
because I'm fighting Toshi.
Well then don't. Bro,
I'm coming for you now, Drew. Okay, never mind.
You can't.
Never mind, you're
You
dead.
wanted to snipe me?
Me? What did I do?
Yeah, what does that mean?
What do you mean? I'm not even. That was LIC. Who else spammed it in his lobby?
That was me that shot you, by the way.
Except for freaking.
This is the only person in this entire game who spammed. You're 100 meters away. What am I supposed to do? Shotgun you? I'm supposed to shotgun you from 100 meters away?
You can use your AR.
That's what his AR is, a spammer AR. He literally only has spam guns right now. He only has a shot. He has one pump and 2 spam guns.
Hey, you're fighting LGC.
No, I'm not. I'm not even fighting him.
Toshi, you're okay.
I'm not even fighting him. We weren't even shooting each other.
Who are y'all fighting? I don't understand this.
No, Percy, I want the flintlock though, so I think you should stay over here. No, I think you should stay over here. You know, I really want that flintlock of yours.
No, I'm gonna drop it on the. You know what? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
You know, I don't care. You know why? Because I can still get it. Oh wait, where did it go? I'm gonna die. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. No, I'm gonna die.
Yeah,
I
that
was
was
scared
my
of-
plan.
So why? You wanted LGC to win? You didn't want you to win? So dumb. But
You're still
okay.
winning though.
I mean, not really. Yeah, he was.
You still
Tag,
suck
got
though.
you.
I got Kula.
Ooh, oh, what the heck? What is this?
Because, oh, you spam. That's all.
Oh, I got a bolt rifle. It's been a while since I used this.
He literally just spammed. He doesn't kill you with a pump.
Oh, you suck.
You
suck.
You spammed, dog. You got low.
Yo, let me heal real quick.
I was shooting you 2 times with a drum gun spamming. I was shooting you 2 times with a drum gun spamming. You just didn't even shoot me 2 times. You shot me like 20 times. No, I shot you like at least 5 times with a drum gun. 5 times.
Ooh,
at
that's
max.
spamming though.
And then I finished you with this really takedown.
Oh, you're bad. Ooh, the magic word works.
How do you win this?
I really can't, but it's okay.
It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. I have faith in you. Yeah, it's okay that you can.
Yeah, shut up, LGC. Don't even lie. Stop lying. You're just being sarcastic.
Keep him in.
Oh, no, I'm out.
Imagine dying.
Oh, imagine dying. Hey, that's what you call, hey, viewers, that's what you call a spammer and a try hard.
Nah, that's like the sweat boy.
No, it's what you call a sweat boy and a boy, streams. It's what you call a try hard and a spammer. I don't
If you
know.
really want me to spray you, like honestly, like honestly, you're sitting here complaining about, oh, you're a spammer, but yet you're just going right towards me. I'm not going right towards you.
My bad, don't kill me.
you to start to shoot me down, boy. Why shouldn't I?
Because I was just kidding. It was a joke. Ah, it's Mickey Mouse. It's okay. It's a normal Mickey Mouse.
Drew's trying to snipe me. He's already stuck in a storm.
He's already stuck in a storm. Oh, okay.
He got the Lambo.
Oh. Hi, Drew. Hi, Drew. Hi, Drew. Hi, Drew.
I thought you were playing someone, boy.
Drew.
Please stop killing me.
Where do you think you're going?
Oh crap, sorry for shooting you down.
Hey, yo, why shouldn't I kill you,
Really
Drew?
just-
I feel bad. I just killed Drew. I just lulled Drew with the
Spam.
yeah. I did almost kill you with the car though.
Okay, that is spamming.
Hey, yo,
That
you
is
do the same
spamming
thing.
Right there.
Well, if you do it, then he's allowed to do it. I don't. I really
He actually
don't
didn't even
understand.
spam it. He missed all of his SMG bullets.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
No! You hit me! No, you hit me! Oh no!
I can.
I couldn't get out. I couldn't get out. First, you shut up. You're not that cool.
You're bad. Shut up.
Yeah.
You mean you lost the fight?
Tag.
Yeah, everyone loses the fight. Clicks, you
You missed.
fights.
You missed.
Mongo
You
loses
wuss.
fights. But does that mean that they're bad? No.
Yeah.
Oh, spam.
Spam guys. Please, Toxic. I have footlock. I have footlock.
Oh really? Come over here and I'll help you. I'll leave you alone if you give me it.
Please, please, please.
Spam gun. Spam gun time. You already know what time it is. It's spam gun. It's spammy season. Hey, Percy, you want to stay up here, bro? You want to stay up here, bro? Stay up here for a little bit.
Oh jeez! Give me your
What
boom!
is this, a boom battle?
No, it's a being better.
GG.
I don't take GGs. I
Please
take
don't shoot me. Don't shoot me the
GGs.
second I get down. You're toxic. You're toxic.
Toxic
Little boy.
Oh!
You gotta kill him for your family. Shoot him right in the head. Shoot him right in the head. Leave him slurp fish.
Toxic, come on, you got it.
Here, I can't get it if you're just gonna eat right in my ear.
He's out of slurp fish. He's out of slurp fish.
You stay over there. I'm gonna get my slurp fish.
Come on, Percy. Come on, Percy. Win this. Come
What?
on, Percy.
You're going for
Come on,
Percy? I thought you were coming for me.
Like I said.
More, you got this.
Come on. Oh yeah. You know what? Honestly, all you have to do is build up a big old base, and they can't get you because you're not allowed to shoot down.
Yeah, that's honestly what you need to do. And then you can just jump down with the bouncer. Well, then you just pump them, one pump them. They won't know what to do. Because they're bots, they don't have reaction time.
No, I believe you understand.
Hi!
Replay!
Oh my goodness!
Dude, someone boy tried to play. He tried to make a play, but he just failed.
What? I felt, huh? Who won the game? Tag.
You. Tag.
Then did I fail? I didn't fail.
I'm fighting Percy.
I never asked.
No, I'm not gonna use this. I only have spam guns. I don't want to be able to kill someone.
Okay, well, you're just gonna die then. You're just gonna die, honestly.
Oh, what the frick? Oh no, you can stay over there. You can stay over there. I missed the wrong gun. I'm very scared.
I just lived. I lived.
You live to see another day. What do you mean, please? I'm literally the one who's lower health.
Listen, I'm not
You can't
fighting
third party.
anyone. I'm just,
Piece of crap.
Height.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Hello, LJC. Hello, LJC. Hello, LJC. I am. Hello, LJC.
Do y'all wanna race?
Not really, but okay.
Go back to hub.
Okay, hold up. After this. Be happy! Be happy! Be happy! Oh no, be happy!
I'm only on one health. Okay.
Let's play box fights.
Okay. Hey, bro, you
I
gotta
got
become a
LJ.
big boy. Oh wait, you know what? Come on, I just stood.
I already done it. I already done that. Wait, what? How is you
Oh, I thought
flying?
you couldn't. Yeah. Look. Wait, what?
Please, I have a family! I have to feed 50 kids!
I gotta find pizza.
How do you go? So we
Oh, that's still powerful.
Don't worry about it!
Drew, let's play box fight.
Oh no!
Where are you?
Oh, that just saved my life! Oh.
Not good at it.
Are you back? Okay, no.
I can still.
remember, no third partying or you're a bot.
Remember, I never asked.
Remember, I asked.
Oh, you didn't? You never.
OC box fights. /2d2/3d3.
Oh, nice. Wait, who's in here?
No one. We're just joining.
I wanna be on Tossie's team. Or Percy's team.
Ain't no way, you're just gonna spam.
Let's go. I'm with Percy.
No.
The cousins versus
come on,
versus
I'm
the
with the
random
bot.
friends. That's so annoying. No, I'm just
Fucking
kidding.
out here with a bot.
Wow, you really fought a lot. At least here.
He actually helps though.
Not spam.
Come here, OTC.
I almost. That's what I get, bro.
What do you want? I got Percy. I got Tossie almost nearly down full health.
Yeah, cause I wasn't
If you're spamming,
trying.
you're spamming most likely.
No, he's
I
not.
wasn't even spamming. Was I spamming?
I wasn't
Tossie?
even trying. Okay. No, and you were not spamming. Oh, jeez. I did not get lucky. I'm just good. Percy, you got this right.
So fast.
Oh, alright.
Come on, Tossie, win this.
Ooh,
I really just rooting for the enemy.
The enemy has been teaching.
How do you hum during a fight? What?
I can't build.
You suck.
Oh, look who's spamming now, huh? You said I'm a sprayer.
I didn't even spam. And this guy spams?
Who's a spammer now, huh? Who's a spammer now, huh?
What up?
Huh? Who's a spammer now, huh?
You are the spammer.
Huh? Who's a spammer now, huh? Huh?
What the?
Get over here, Drew.
Let me. Please, do anything. I don't care.
Unga bunga, oh. Unga bunga, oh.
You didn't have to shoot me. I literally died. First 5 seconds. Man, the first place, how are you gonna go?
Spammer! unga banga, unga banga, unga banga, unga banga.
What is
Sacrifice.
Really, daddy? Really, daddy?
Bro, give them the win since they're losing.
No, don't give me a win.
Why did you eat?
What the
I
5 of
spammed any of my
15.
fights.
5 of 15.
Every time I
Unga banga, unga bo.
Drew saves me. What the freak? How does it make lots?
Unga banga, unga banga.
Oh my god, it's chasing me. Oh my god, it's over.
I'm just fucking kick out.
They both jumped on. They jumped to me, bro. I can't do anything when they both getting a hit.
You're getting pickaxe from 2
I
people.
think LGC should come on my team.
Why? Why do I have to go with the bot? Just kidding. Why do I hate why?
Yeah. See
No,
how it is
no.
being with the
Okay,
bot.
okay, fine then. I can go with the bot if you want.
Nah, it's because he's too scared to fight the actual.
What the frick? Oh, you're bad! You're bad! You're
Go,
bad!
let me carry him. Let me carry him.
Watch out, watch out.
Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted! Bro, remember whenever Mitch used to be the FoRtNiTe bot? Like, he used to actually like act like the FoRtNiTe bot. Like, hello, I'm the FoRtNiTe bot and I'm stupid.
Unga
Lol.
bunga, unga. Yeah,
Oh.
unga bunga.
Not bada 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 bada. Percy.
Oh my god, please, man. You're a scammer.
What the freak?
Where are we going to, bro?
You're spamming. You're spamming. You're spamming. First of all. Why don't you call them out for spamming?
Da da da.
Call me out for spamming.
I don't understand.
No, they legit get 2 ARs. They just spam. You don't call them out. You're not screaming.
I
at them.
literally said
You're
they're
not screaming at them.
spamming.
You're not screaming at them for spamming.
Maybe because they're not as good as you and they don't need to spam.
Oh, roasted.
I mean, then again, I am better, but just keep screaming.
Yeah, you're better.
This
You're
monitor,
better.
I mean, I'm not even saying excuses.
You're better.
This monitor just doesn't have any. You're better. But also, you're also bad, dude. So I don't know why you're helping. Then again, you legit cannot build. You only build things.
I don't
Legit,
only
all
go
you
stairs.
do.
That's all
Oh,
you say,
yes,
bro.
that is. 1v1v1, you just build stairs. Or you just stand all the
I
buttons on
can't
your
better. I can't edit. 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 I can't edit.
Yeah, because I'm not even trying.
He's died more than I have. He's died more than I have.
How do they?
Because I'm the one getting into the actual fights. Then you're coming at the end.
Oh, mother. Percy, you're just gonna let him do you like that, brother? Come on.
Drew, you spammed. Drew, you spammed.
I didn't spam.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
Percy, did I spam?
No.
No, he shot me.
Oh, yeah, he's spamming. He's
No,
spamming.
you're just gonna let him do you like that? Hey, what, Percy? Let's go only after LJC and then Drew, because Drew, I feel bad for Drew.
What?
I can't shoot! I can't shoot! I can't shoot! I can't shoot! You sound stupid.
You're bad.
Maybe it's because you are. LOL!
You're bad.
I'm bad, yeah, I'm the bad, yeah, I'm not the one who's bad, yeah.
You're bad.
Why did you just use the door, you know?
You're
Come here, Tessie. Come here, Tessie. Come here. Oh my god.
Oh, I just stand there and been idiots. I just stood there and been idiots. Oh, I just stood there and shut the
supposed to be better than me and winning nearly all my fights.
because I wasn't trying. Okay, shut up. You don't find any. Okay, fine then.
But in reality,
Spam, Tossy, spam! Oh, wow. Wow. Right here, right here.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun,
Tossy, we need to spam on them.
Alright, let's go after LJC first.
Drew, spam. Drew,
No.
we have to get together.
Go after LJC first, he's in the middle.
Drew, we have to get together.
They're on the left, they're on the left.
Drew, we have to. Drew, I'll build my walls. Build my walls. Out of ammo.
First, he's low, let's
Why are
go.
y'all just spamming? Y'all are bad.
It's the power of friendship. I mean, power of family. Family.
You were trying to shake me down.
Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious.
Making a dance.
No, you were trying to shake me down. Sometimes it just drops you when you try to shake down.
No, I wasn't shaking
Percy,
you down.
come on,
Shaking
Percy.
down is-
Come on, Percy. He's on the right. Percy, LGC's on the right. Watch out.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
You suck.
No, you suck. You're the one that sounds like spamming. You suck. What do you mean? You guys are out here spamming. What? Even when you spam.
No, you didn't, Drew. Shut up. Shut up, Drew. You
I
didn't
get
know
it.
it.
Oh, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. No spamming. No spamming around.
Bro, I knocked one.
I was just spamming.
Whoa, kiddo. What's going on?
I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm out. It shows me, myself, and I solo ride. How the spamming work
What am I
out.
supposed to do? First thing. Let's not spam. Not
Stop spam.
No, who said that?
Don't spam. Let's
That's
see how it
not.
goes.
That's part of the game, though.
Alright, fine. Let's not spam since they're...
But it's part of the game. Just like Percy says every day.
Oh my god, they're assaulting me and getting
Don't spam. Yeah, let's not spam.
boom, 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 boom. Now that's you're dead.
There's no way he could. There's no way he knocked me like that though.
Yeah, there is a way. I'm with a bot.
But
I've been doing this through the first 2 rounds.
oh my god.
That is kinda true. That is kinda true.
But still.
You're out on a man.
But still what?
You get shot in the back. I have to defend you. You get shot in the back.
Percy, he's coming.
I need to do stuff. I can't handle it. At least I killed one. It's a kill one. Oh, I gotta fight. It's the Rock versus Rock.
It's The Rock versus Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Dwayne The Rock Johnson versus Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Oh, you little bit of crap.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh, you're mad! You're mad! Yeah, Percy, shut up. Percy, he's shaking my dog, he's taking my Nintendo. Stop him, he's taking my Wii! Oh my god.
I see 2 dudes on the ground, 1 guy standing up.
This guy's crying.
Yo, you want to spam again since OJC wants to spam too?
I'm not even spamming. What
Yes,
do you
you
mean?
are.
I killed you with a pump.
You killed me with the freaking spam. Oh, what the freak?
Oh my god. I got that thing.
No, you read my way.
Don't steal my Nintendo. Don't steal my Nintendo. Oh, you take my Nintendo. Happy now. You take my Nintendo. I'm scared. You
Tassie, what are you doing?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
56, really.
56. Nice. Defend yourself. Defend yourself. Defend yourself. Defend yourself.
I'm gonna go heal.
Defend yourself. Defend yourself.
Tassie, what were you doing?
I went to go heal. But then I lagged out. I lagged out, bro. I went to go heal and lagged out, right, chat? I swear I did.
Who's in
You
your
have
team?
no views.
I'm gonna end the stream. Goodbye. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.